Hello and welcome to Trinity Stamps. Today we're going to take a close-up look at the Spring in My Step stamp set with coordinating die set from the Sunny Side Up release. Here's the stamp set right here. It's a 4x4 sized set and has 10 images in the set. Let's take a look at them all stamped out. Here I'm laying them on a piece of cardstock that measures 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, so you can see how they fit on there in the approximate size of the largest image and sentiment. I love the size of the Trinity Stamps gnomes because they take up a good amount of space on your card, but they're not too large. Here they are, all stamped out. And here they are, all die cut out. There is a die for every image in this stamp set. I love that these images are so whimsical, they are fun to color, and there's enough supporting images that you can easily make a card with just this stamp set. The sentiment, of course, reads, "You put a spring in my step," which is where it got its name. And there's the adorable gnome. Now let's take a look at what these images look like on a finished card. You can see the gnome there fits edge to edge on this 3 1/2 inch by 8 1/2 inch slimline card, and all the other supporting images fill in this card so well. Now let's take a look at some other cards created by our design team to give you more inspiration with this new stamp set. And speaking of inspiration, here's some more videos for you that might get your creative juices flowing. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new, we would love for you to subscribe to our channel for more videos coming soon.